This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear reading lights, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side airbag, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, automatic locking wheel hubs, and air conditioning. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.